Find the complete expansion of 3 minus 2x raised to power 4. So we can just write it as 3 minus 2x square multiplied by 3 minus 2x whole square. So we'll solve just one of these, which is equal to 9 plus 4x square minus 12x multiplied by the same thing, 9 plus 4x square minus 12x. Now if we multiply these both, we'll get 81 plus 36x square minus 108x plus 36x square plus 16x raised to power 4 minus 48x cube minus 108x minus 48x cube plus 144x square. Now if we just simplify this whole thing, we'll get 81 plus 216x square minus 96x cube plus 16x square and minus 216x. Use your answer to 8a to find this. Give your answers in the form of p plus q square root 2, where p and q are integers to be determined. So this equation is same as a part, just there was x and now we have square root of 2. So instead of x we'll write square root of 2. So 16 into square root of 2 raised to power 4 minus 96 into square root of 2 raised to power 3 plus 216 into square root of 2 square minus 216 into square root of 2 plus 81. If we solve these, we'll get 577 minus 408 square root of 2. So p is equal to 577, q is equal to negative 408.